vine. This vine was like all on the ground here, so I cut off all the leaves that had that mildew on it, and I discovered that I have one cantaloupe here, and I have another one here, and it's the honeydew, and then I have one, ooh, they're prickly, one growing right there. So I put this trellis up here, right here, to hold it. So I'm happy if I can get 3 honeydew melons, and I would be so excited. So that's what your girl is working on now, trying to cut off all the bad leaves on this plant so I can have a good harvest of some honeydew melon. Alright guys, let me show you what else I was working on. I came over here and I discovered that the peanut plant that I put over in here never came up. Those peanuts never germinated over here, so I just cleaned out this whole pot, and I will put something else here because I have a good peanut plant growing over there on my deck. So also, you know me, I'm always showing the good, the bad, and the ugly. Well, I was cutting some of my zucchini leaves away from this plant because I wanted to make sure that I had good air circulation. Check this out. It's a dragonfly. You guys see that dragonfly? Never seen one like that before, but I guess he's coming and checking it out since it's a nice clean area over here. All right, he's gone. So let's continue. So as I was saying, that I was cutting away some of these leaves down here because I wanted to make sure that this plant had good airflow. And it is a nice healthy zucchini plant. It is my Black Beauty zucchini. So I found that I had some zucchini. I got one that's growing there, and I have one that's growing over here. Let me show you. Where is it? Right here. Do you guys see this one? So I have 2 zucchini, and I had 2 casualties. 2 zucchinis that did not make it. They were in the pot. Let me show you. And this is what they look like. So they were eaten from the bottom, but the rest of the zucchini didn't look so bad, but it was just the inside. So hey, I lost 2, but I got 2 new growing, and I have some blooms that are still coming on the plant. I got one there too, so hopefully the pollinators will come now that I have removed some of these leaves, and they can just fly on in there and do what they do. All right, you guys, I just want to let you know what Miss Renee was up to today. So I'm out here just cleaning, trying to get this area cleaned up because we have had so much rain and the heat has just been so unbearable. So that's what I've been up to. All right, guys, hope you are having an opportunity to get outside, enjoy the weather as well, and get some of your cleanup that you need to get done. And with that being said, Miss Renee is going to get back in here and finishing up the job because I have this one pot that I want to dig out, this one foxglove, dig out some of the dirt, put new dirt in there, and then I'm going to put some more food in this container. All right, guys. Whew, I tell you, working in a garden never ceases. You always have something you need to do. All right, let's take another good look at my Black Beauty zucchini, and I will say have a wonderful day, have a blessed day, and Miss Renee will definitely see you in the next video.